Hi everyone, what's up? I'm quite sure you all are doing well. Well, I know that you people are curious to know who am I. So I'm your knowledge resource and my name is Pratyush Nandan. I'm here to spill the magic of knowledge. The story that we will discuss today is The Fun They Had, one of the most important science fiction from class 9th English book. But before explaining the content of the story, we must know about the famous personality who has written the science fiction. So let's discuss some of the important facts about the writer. I'm sure you too must be curious to know about him as well. Hi, don't worry. I will not try to give the detailed explanation about his achievement and facts of the life, but I will try to keep it short. That's a promise from my side, right? So Isaac Asimov, let's discuss the important facts about his life, his achievement, point by point. Point number one, he was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction and popular science. He wrote or edited more than 500 books and an estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Isn't it interesting about him? He was the Grand Master of Science Fiction Writer of America, the founder of Robot Ethics, and one of the world's most prolific author of fiction, especially science fiction. So these are the important points about his achievement. I hope you will be able to contain all these facts in your mind without any doubt, right? As I've already given information that The Fun They Had is written by Isaac Asimov and it's a science fiction. Let's discuss about the summary of the story. It tells the story of two young children named Tommy and Margie, and who live in 22nd century, that is 2157. Children get an education through computer at their home. One day they come through a printed book and learn something about the school that excited hundreds and hundreds of years ago about the education culture that were prevailing in the past. Right? It is a matter of a great surprise for both of them because they are living in the age of moving e-text. So, I will try to explain more about the character and further adding more information in the summary in the next video. But before that, I need a positive motivation from your end, and you can do that by subscribing my channel and by giving a like to my channel. I hope I will definitely get your support in this regard. Thank you very much.